Welcome to day 4 of our 12 days of making series. Today we're going to be making this bracelet using the rainbow loom that we have in our crafting cabinet. We'll provide the rainbow loom kit, and all you need to bring is your design in mind. The kit comes with all the tools you're going to need to create this bracelet. So we're going to be using the colors white, green, and red so that you're able to differentiate and follow along step by step. So we're going to start off with our white rubber band, and we're going to attach it to the very bottom of the tool, and then follow using the green rubber band. We're going to put that right on top, and we're going to do the same thing with the red. So they should be kind of interlocking like so. And so you're going to keep doing that and following the first 2 rows of the tool. And you're going to make it all the way to the other side. You can make it shorter. It really just depends on how large you want your bracelet to be. Be sure to have a pattern in mind and follow your pattern all the way across the whole rainbow loom. Once you're done, it should look like this. And now we're going to be using a crochet hook-like tool that's in this kit to start weaving everything together. So we're going to grab that red rubber band and kind of fold it up on itself and hook it onto where that first part is. Leave the white one alone, and we're just going to go ahead and keep doing that. And within that red rubber band, we're going to try to grab that green that is right in the middle there. And once we hook that green on, we can fold that across to the other side. And this is going to be what links up all our rubber bands so that they don't pop out within our bracelet. You're going to keep doing this all the way across the whole loom. Once we're done kind of looping everything together, we're going to grab these plastic hooks that are also in this kit, and you're going to hook on one side, so that white rubber band that was at one of the ends, and you're just going to start pulling gently the rubber bands off the loom, and then you're going to hook the other side right on that same clasp. This is one of our most favorite and most popular kit. We hope you come on into the forge and check it out yourself and just enjoy making these really awesome colorful bracelets. Thank you.